Hey guys, so today let's try out this new digital camera for kids called Kidamento, and I think the biggest value of it is that in comparison to all of the other cameras that you can find in all of the other places, this one doesn't actually have any games for the kids, so it's clearly photography and video only. Well, just let's get it unboxed, so just sit down, relax, and enjoy the video.